Warriors, it is the 8th day, and on the 8th day, we will incorporate 4 of the standing poses that we've worked on so far. Crescent Lunge, Warrior 2, Reverse Warrior, and Goddess Pose. A couple of things to pay attention to. It's going to require a lot of pivoting on this back foot to move through these poses, because we will be going in that order. And another thing that I want you to pay attention to is when we are moving from chair to crescent lunge, when we're bringing our leg behind us, that balancing leg I want us to focus on, because that's going to prep us for Warrior 3, which we will get to on the 9th day. So I'll talk a little bit more about that when we get there. For now, we start again in a staff pose. The legs extended in front of you. Press your hands into the earth. Extend through the arms. Create space in your spine. Use your core and low back to keep this shape as you bring hands to heart center. And we call forth our practice. Go ahead and close the eyes. By a big exhale through the mouth. 3 rounds of breath. Make this last one count. Seal the lips. Call forth our Ujjayi breath with these intentional, powerful inhales and exhales through the nose. Just a couple more rounds of breath. Go ahead and open the eyes. Bring your hands behind you with the fingertips pointing behind you. Bring your feet to the outside edges of your mat. And go ahead and window wipe the legs to the left side. Press that right knee down. Inhale through center. Other side, press the left knee down. And move with your breath here. Inhaling through center and exhaling to the other side. It's okay if you have to adjust your hips back to the center of your mat. It's very natural to kind of be moving as you window wipe the legs. Just warming up the hips here. One more each side. Remember, your exhale lands you. Your inhale travels you. Then we meet back at center. Quick butterfly brings the feet together. Hands around the toes or the feet or the shins. 3 rounds of breath in our seated butterfly. Remember, if you want a little bit of a warm up in the hips, maybe you flap the wings of your butterfly. We meet at a tabletop for 3 rounds of cow-cat. Let the inhales bring cow. Let the exhale bring cat. I'm going to go ahead and cue closing the eyes here. Let yourself focus on your movement as you take these breaths. We'll get one more in. And then we'll meet in a downward facing dog. A little bit of time here to pedal out your dog. We meet at the top of our mats in a Ragdoll. Maybe just to change it up, you grab your elbows differently than you normally do, with one arm over the other. And as always, welcome to bring movement by swaying left and right, forward and back in this Ragdoll. Let the next inhale bring stillness. Let the exhale release the arms. The inhale brings a flat back, halfway lift. Fold on the exhale. And you have two more. Inhale to your halfway lift. The exhale brings to your fold. One more. Exhale, fold. Okay, bend into your knees, and on the inhale, come to stand. On the exhale, chair pose. Bend into your knees. Inhale, come up, stand. 3 more, just like that. Exhale brings you down into chair. Inhale brings you up to stand. 2 more. Last one. And we take 2 rounds of breath in our standing pose. Let this next exhale bring you into chair. It doesn't have to be the deepest chair. Our left leg is going to be our balance leg. Bring your right leg behind you for crescent lunge. See if you could do that in one step, but it's okay if you need to bring your foot down a couple of times to get there. Crescent lunge. You feel free to extend the arms. Okay, I want to play with that one more time. Bring hands to heart center. Kick off your back leg. Let's meet at the front of our mats. Our mats, your mat, whatever. Okay, left leg behind you. Try to make it in one step. Again, it's okay if not. Crescent lunge. Hands back to heart center. To the front of our mats we go. Chair pose. Come up to stand. Take 3 rounds of breath. Remember, big focus on that step back. Welcome the challenge. Prep those legs for balancing. Your next exhale, sink into chair. Right leg behind you, crescent. Open up, warrior 2. Reverse warrior. Back to warrior 2. Into goddess pose. So bring your right heel in, hands to come to heart center. Round of breath. We meet back in a crescent lunge. So I'm going to pivot my back foot onto the ball of that back foot. And then kick off the back leg, we're back in chair. Left leg behind you, crescent. Open up, warrior two. Reverse warrior. Back to warrior two. Goddess pose brings that left heel in, hands come to heart center. Round of breath. We come back to crescent lunge, onto the ball of our back foot, and then chair pose at the front of our mats. Come to stand. Okay, we go through that sequence again. On your next exhale, chair pose. Right leg behind you, crescent. Stay, one round of breath. Warrior two. Reverse. Back to warrior two. Goddess pose. That right heel comes in. Lots of pivoting. Crescent lunge, facing the front. Chair pose at the front of our mats. Left leg behind you, crescent. Warrior two. Reverse. Warrior two. Goddess pose. It's okay to lose a little bit of balance here and there. Just regain yourself. Get control of your breath. Intentional inhale and exhale. Crescent lunge. Chair pose at the front. Inhale, come to stand. Hands at heart center. Press into the palms. Bring your energy to the center. We're going through it one more time. And again, the opportunity to appreciate that just pivoting that back foot can bring us into such different poses. I just find that to be so cool. And it's so fun to play with. Almost a little dance of sorts. So shall we dance? Oh, you can really dance. Okay, one round of breath. Let's do it. Chair pose. Right leg behind you, crescent. Warrior two. Reverse. Warrior two. Goddess. Crescent. At the top of our mats we go, chair. Just to switch sides. Left leg behind you, crescent. Warrior two. Reverse. Warrior two. Goddess. One round of breath. Crescent lunge. Chair pose at the front of our mats. Come up to stand. Arms by our sides. Standing warrior pose. Keep extending even through the fingertips. 3 rounds of breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. 2 more. exaggerate this next round of breath. Let go of your intention. Practice is done. Whew, worked up a sweat. Maybe you guys did too. As always, I wish you a beautiful life, my friend. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your effort. We're at day 8 days in. Yes. Like, comment, and subscribe if you dig what's going on here. It helps so much. I look forward to the next time I see you. Until that next time, namaste. Day 8 completed.